Hello guys, I'm the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize and rearrange your home screen in the ZTE Axon 20. So if you want to open the home screen settings, just hold your finger on the empty place on your display, and you can see there you have a few options. Wallpaper is obvious, but you can change it for the live wallpaper, for example, like this one. Just tap on it and go back. That's it. The effect is a transition effect when you swiping the pages, so just choose your favorite one, and like before, just go back. If you want to add any widget, choose this option and hold it. Drop onto into your home screen, and that's it. If you want to remove it, just hold the finger again on it and choose delete. The next tip, go to the settings, and if you want to change your icon layout, open this one and choose your favorite amount of the application in the rows and in the columns. And I think it's that in the home screen settings. The last thing, if you want to make any folder, just hold any app and drop onto another, and now we have a folder. You can go inside it and add more apps by this little plus, just select it. You can also change the name here, but if you want to remove the folder, just take out all of the apps from it to back to the home screen. Just it, and just it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.